We are at the gym because there is Wandering Minds. Hi, Mark.
Hello.
This is for the class interviews.
No.
Kirby is not here. Excuse me. Yes, we're gonna go to the science lab, to a randomized room, and then the lastly, the space door. Right there. We're at whatever this is. We're learning about the gun. We're in the science lab. Hey George, say hi.
Everyone, ito yung ugal na left para hindi sila buhat kaya dito Yan, okay na. Come on, okay na. Don't move na sila lang. Let's move a little to the left. Alright, and then siguro mo. Tapos, let's sit down na. Georgie, magsapatos pa ko po.
Oh, my knee!
Siya ang ginatawag na end of the world. And that is the world's or the Earth's natural deadline. Pero, there is also another deadline for planet Earth, and you will know that later sa inyong last station, I believe. So with that, as I mentioned, since it will be the end of the world, us humans will no longer have a place to live on. And when that happens, yung mga scientists
We're gonna
natin
die.
are trying to figure out if we can transfer from planet Earth to planet Mars. And if you're wondering, anong si Mars out of all the planets there
There's
it's because
air.
Mars is very similar kay planet Earth.
Stop!
It is smaller than Earth. However,
It has a weak magnetic field.
okay. So, those are the differences. But to tell you the similarities of Mars and Earth, first off, Mars is a terrestrial planet. Meaning, we can step on planet Mars and
Is
like
he
Jupiter.
autistic or
So what kind of planet is Jupiter?
Jake, I'm joking.
Gas giant.
It is a gas giant. So if we try to step
Isn't
on
that
Jupiter,
Uranus?
will we be able
The
to
gas
step
giant
on
is
it?
Uranus?
No, it's made out of gas.
Yes, very good. So we won't be able to, and we will just fall through kasi again, it is made up
Nerd.
of
Nerd.
gas.
These two
And apart
participate
from that,
unlike you.
Mars also
Unlike
has
you
an
too. You don't
atmosphere,
participate
although
as
right
well.
now, medyo
But I'm not
thin
making
ang
fun of
atmosphere
him.
in Mars, so it can't really keep
He's
us
a nerd,
warm
but in a
and
good way. He
provides
might be an
better
astrophysicist when he
breathing.
grows up.
However,
Astrophysicist.
na yung atmosphere ni
Not
Mars,
when I touch you
kaya it
first.
will potentially become habitable for us. And of course, lastly, Mars also has water. So,
Nice. It's almost us, chat. Oh, my leg! Uy, tindog! Hey, you won. Hey, you won. I'm gonna. Hey, George. So, like, I guess I'm not supposed to touch the thing.
I bet you Joshua was clenching his eyes.
George, it's almost us. That's right. Next is you. Amen. What kind of rocks are they? Oh, lapis. Marble. No, he has fire.
I don't think we're supposed to move that.
I don't know.
Alright, let's go.
Yippee! Why were you hopping like that? Wait, chill! Yo, wait! I lost it first! Naa pa. Yeah, naa pa. I get it. Sorry, chat, but it said no videos, chat. So we may not be able to like take videos or pictures, but we still have one stop, which is in the grade 3. And shit. Yo, TJ, let's sit next to each other, bro.
Kato man tong murag lalaki nag-ingon na sa ano daw to. Diba?
Oo.
Naman to gingon na.
Oh, hell no, not again! It's no dinosaur! Yo, where's the dinosaur?
Overrated na or gasgas na siya kaayo, pero kids, we have to remember na it's important to talk about it kasi the worst impacts of climate change will be irreversible by the year
We will
2020. Yes. Okay. So with that, I would like to ask you, can someone define climate change for me?
rain.
Rain. What else? You know?
Acid rain.
Sunny days. Okay, so basically, yung climate change natin, this refers to the long-term shift in temperature, weather, and climate because of harmful human activities. It has the ability to warm planet Earth, or kaya niyang painitan si planet Earth, and it can stay sa atong atmosphere for 300 to 1,000 years. And apart from that, yung mga trees natin, they can sequester or they can store mga carbon dioxide sa ilahang trunks, branches, and roots para matanggal sila sa atmosphere. However, if pudlon na to ang trees, what will happen to the carbon dioxide? Na nakastore sa trees, di ba? They can store carbon dioxide. Now, if we cut these trees down, the carbon dioxide will?
Low.
Huh? They will?
Low down.
They will ugawas sila sa trees and they will accumulate sa atong atmosphere. Tapos, yes, mababa yung oxygen. Now, as I mentioned, since they can warm planet Earth, if daghan na kaayong carbon dioxide sa atong atmosphere, what will we feel? Tugnaw or init? Init. So that one, it affects yung mga animals, plants, and humans as well. For the
Climate change, we will die in our own mass extinction event, like the
What?
the extinction.
Yes, very good. And that is the reason why talking about climate change is very important so that we can call to action everyone to take part in mitigating the effects of climate change. Apart from that, going back, the other causes of climate change includes generating power, manufacturing goods, using transportation, producing food, and powering buildings. Kasi when we do these things,
You
we use
forgot
fossil
one.
fuels. And fossil fuels, when we burn them, they will also release gases to our atmosphere. And when the gases accumulate in the atmosphere, of course, planet Earth will become even warmer. And pag super warm na, that will cause an increase in the global temperature, and that's very harmful for all constituents of
That's why
planet
ban
Earth.
cigarettes, because it's bad for the environment.
Cigarettes are bad for the environment. So kids, I know you're still very young, but don't smoke, okay? And so going back, of course, our scientists also try to figure out on how to use electricity without using fossil fuels. So this one, what is this one? It's a solar panel, very good. And a solar panel works by capturing energy from the sunlight para ma-convert nila into electricity. So this one, since we're inside a dark room, walay sunlight, we'll use this one as our light. So all you have to do is turn this one on, and you can also observe na the light bulb also turned on, although very dim lang siya. Kasi again, the energy from the light was converted into electricity. Now, how about this one? Ano naman siya? A fan?
Windmill.
It's a windmill, very good. So it's quite different from a fan kasi yung fan, it uses electricity to generate wind. Pero ang windmill, it uses wind to generate
Electricity.
electricity, very good. So all you have to part para the blades will turn and the generator will also convert the energy into electricity, which will power up this light bulb, like this one. So, nag-light up po siya, right? Kasi the wind, or the energy from the wind, was converted into
Electricity.
okay? And here in the Philippines, daghan tayong mga wind farms or windmill farms, and most of them are located sa Ilocos.
Use it to direct typhoons away from our country.
Yes, and apart from that, they can also use it for clean energy. And they are located mostly sa tabing dagat or mountainous areas kasi dito ako ang hangin. So that's that. And of course, one last cause of climate change is when we consume too much or when we use a lot of things. Kasi when we use a lot of things, we also generate a lot of waste or basura. And yung mga trashes natin, if naalang sila sa mga landfills, over time, mag-breakdown sila and they will also release gases sa atuang atmosphere and microplastics as well. And microplastics,
E-waste is the worst kind of trash pollution because it has made a lot of heavy metals, especially computers being turned into e-waste.
yes. And of course, going back to microplastics, it's very dangerous sa atuang mga marine life kasi they tend to ingest like take for example yung jellyfish natin. Yung mga turtles natin, they tend to ingest mga jellyfish, and plastics can sort of look like jellyfish pag naa sila sa ocean. So with that, we have to learn how to segregate our trashes properly. So right here, we have here balat ng kalabasa. What type of waste is that? Biodegradable or non-biodegradable? Biodegradable, very good. Or nabubulok siya. So all you have to do is to shoot it diri as a biodegradable waste bin, and that's you practicing segregation. And of course, some other things that we can do as young people to help mitigate the effects of climate change is to practice the 5 R's. And yung 5 R's natin, this include
Refuse, reduce, reuse, repurpose, and recycle.
very about when you pedal the bike. So that's that. And later when we're exploring, if you don't want to ride the bike, you can just turn the pedal. If you don't want, okay lang po, you can skip it, okay? Is that okay? Alright, and of course, in our world today, AI is very widespread, right? And in relation to climate change, we can use AI for a lot
AI
of
is a
things.
choice.
Take, for example,
AI is a
predicting
choice.
weather patterns and simplifying concepts about climate change na dili nato masabtan. Pero I would like to remind you that AI is a very powerful tool, but always
And
have
AI
to
is
be
also a
very
choice.
responsible with how we use AI. First line lang sa. And then, kamo kayo, sibog mo pala para naa sila yung mga agian pagawas. Thank you. Move ka pala. Oh, left.
Taking so long, bro. Chloe! Chloe! I'm gonna ride the bike. Stop! No way, bro doesn't know how to ride a bike.
No way, you don't know how to ride a bike?
If you know how to ride a bike, then ride it. No, or else I'm gonna ride you.
You think they're riding it?
I'm gonna butt cheek tickle time you.
I probably couldn't ride it, even if you could.
Uy, mapagay na ko sana kay mama.